Hi, I'm Jen Jones from iHeart Organizing, and today I'm working with GE Appliances to highlight their new high-capacity refrigerator. One of the benefits of a really spacious fridge is that you can go to the grocery store and you can buy your meals for the entire week for your family. Once you have all your groceries, you want to categorize inside your fridge, so when you're opening those doors every time, everything is in the same spot. It becomes a habit to go right here for beverages or to go right here for your breakfast items. It's also great for looking in your fridge and quickly seeing what you need next time you go to the grocery store. Along with setting up your fridge into categories, it's really important to know where things belong in your fridge so that they're staying at the right temperature. So your dairy and your meat should stay towards the center of the fridge. And then also make sure you're using these drawers that come with the fridge that are labeled for crisping up your vegetables, keeping your fruits nice and fresh. There's meat and deli trays down below. And it keeps everything categorized and at the proper temperature. Another one of my top tips is when you get home from the grocery store, spend a couple extra minutes putting together some pre-made kits inside of your fridge. I like to do them for snacks or even a lunch making kit right here in the deli drawer. You pull it out, you go to your counter, and then you're quickly making your lunches for your kids in the morning. When selecting containers for your fridge, I recommend going with clear storage. That way when you open the doors, you can see quickly everything inside. I also recommend using containers that can utilize the depth of your fridge. That way you can pull everything from the back forward as if you were pulling out an extra drawer. I always like to add a couple labels to the fridge just to keep the entire family on the same page. But don't over-label. You don't want to have to change your labels every week when you come home from the stores. The fridge holds a lot of items in different shapes and sizes, and they can easily get lost near the back of the fridge. So I recommend adding a Lazy Susan to prevent the items from getting lost and bringing them back to front. Things tend to shift inside of the drawers. So I like to add open top containers and baskets to prevent the apples from rolling into the grapes and to keep everything corralled and organized. So there's no question on our leftovers if they were made a month ago or last week or yesterday. I like to use a dry erase marker, and I use it on the front of my containers to write the date. That way I always know what's fresh and what to toss.